What's up, Night of Freestyle fans? I'm David Rinaldo, freestyle motocross rider from France. Today I'm gonna try to explain you as best as I can how to do a Malakai Flip, which is a body varial during your back flip. For this tricks I use the double flip ramp. So easy pull, smooth one. As soon as you take off, with your left hand, go grab your left grab. Then put your right legs over the bar and start your body varial. Start to turn around the bike. Directly after this, you have to focus to grab perfectly your right grab with your right hand. And directly go and put your right legs over the fender to come back on the bike. Normally, for regular Kelly roll, at this moment the trick is more or less finished. But with a backflip, you have to walk a bit more because of the rotation, because of the everything. You have to push with your both grab to go grab your handlebar. And if you are lucky enough, even if you have a good stabilizer, normally your handlebar will be straight. Because if it's not straight, you are totally fucked up. Because the bike gonna twist and you're probably gonna crash. What else? So yeah, put your stabilizer on 8, mega strong. Be focused on a really smooth pull, because this trick's gonna rotate a bit faster, gonna make the rotation a bit faster, sorry. Focus on first left grab, right legs, turn, right grab, legs over the fender to come back on the bike, and focus to go grab the handlebar. Yeah, that's more or less everything. It took me a bit of time, a lot of work, a lot of energy, a lot of stress, a lot of scary moment. But I got the gold medal with this, so it's probably one of the hardest tricks, or it's the hardest tricks I'm working on. But yeah, mentally and technically, but it is what it is. So if you guys wanna do something cool, now you know how to do it. I hope I explained this well, and if not, maybe try and use your own technique. See you soon, guys. Take care, and yeah, stay strong.